day at
Hold on, start
school,
over. Do it
my
now.
teacher.
Go. Start over. Go.
First day at school, my teacher said, "Want to draw a picture for your parents?" So I drew a picture of an alligator and I named it Terrence. When I gave that picture to my mom, I said I love big alligators. She brought some magnets and put my picture on the refrigerator. She said she put it there so that everyone could see how much she liked my picture, how proud she is of me. Now my teacher asks me, my drawing takes so long. I said it's a refrigerator picture for my mom. Refrigerator picture. It's a refrigerator picture for my mom.